Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fully reset your Cateye Strada Wireless computer. First, you'll need to locate the small AC button on the back of the unit. This button is usually recessed, so grab a thin, pointed object, like a pen tip or a paperclip. Gently press and hold this button for a few seconds. This crucial step performs a complete system initialization, clearing all previous data and returning your device to its original factory settings. Ready for a fresh start, 146. Once the full reset is complete, your Cateye Strada Wireless will prompt you to select your desired speed units. You'll see options for either kilometers per hour or miles per hour displayed on the screen. Use the mode button, typically located on the bottom, to cycle through these choices until your preferred unit is highlighted. Then, press the menu button, usually the top one, to confirm your selection and move on to the next setup step. 136. Now, it's time to input your tire circumference, a critical step for accurate speed and distance readings. The computer will ask for this measurement in millimeters. You can find a reference table in your Cateye manual, or for the most precise calibration, perform a wheel roll-out. This involves marking your tire and the ground, rolling one full revolution, and measuring the distance. Use the mode button to adjust the flashing digits and the menu button to confirm each segment and save your final entry. 1, 3, 4, 6, 7. Finally, you'll set the clock. You can choose between a 12-hour or 24-hour display. Use the mode button to adjust the hours and minutes, pressing and holding it to move between the fields, and then confirm with the menu button. After all settings are entered, ensure your wireless sensor is correctly installed on your fork, with the magnet on your spoke passing within 5 millimeters of the sensor. This ensures your Cateye Strada Wireless is fully calibrated and ready for your rides. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.